I was in class 8. Then I decided to be a businesswoman. I told my father that I will not do job in my life. I will be the job queen. I love food, and spices are the magic blinkers that make your food delicious. I had one more dream. I want to be a bike. This factory which you are seeing at the back, it's not just my hard work. It's my parents' hard work as well. The company name is Tanvi Enterprises. 7-star hotels like Roy, Taj, one of the 4-star hotels there in Kanpur named Landmark. We supply them as well. सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज तो बीइंग अ फीमेल, मैं आपको सच बताऊं, मैं बहुत रोती हूँ। मैं घर नहीं आती थी, मैं पहले रो ही लेती थी घर के बाहर कि अगर मैं घर जाके रोऊंगी तो माय पेरेंट्स विल बी लाइक छोड़ दो, और मैं वो चीज उन्हें नहीं दिखाना चाहती थी कि मैं वीक हूँ। Never do business on your savings. Keep your saving as a backup amount when you are falling. My parents feel very proud. वो बात अलग है कि घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर होती है, ठीक है। They are proud of me, but वो दिखाते नहीं है, ज्यादा हवा बेटा उनपे।
नमस्ते, देसी ग्रिड के नए एपिसोड में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत। आज की हमारी गेस्ट है वंशिका निगम। वंशिका कानपुर की रहने वाली हैं और ये तन्वी एंटरप्राइज नाम से एक मसाला ब्रांड बिल्ड कर रही हैं और इनके मेजर कस्टमर्स में होटल्स, 5-स्टार होटल्स और यूरोप की एक्सपोर्ट मार्केट्स हैं। इन्होंने ये काम काफी अर्ली अपने कॉलेज डेज में ही शुरू कर दिया था और अब लगभग 20 लोगों को वो एम्प्लॉय करती हैं। So let's hear from Vanshika about her story and how she have gone about building it. Hi, how are you, Vanshika?
Good. I'm good. What about you, sir?
Very well. So thank you very much, Vanshika, for taking out time to do this podcast. And as I have told you that, the purpose of this podcast is basically to reach out to young people across the country who may be thinking about new ventures, new businesses, and get ideas from you, get some learnings from you, from your own experience.
I want to say one thing. The people learn from small things, not bigger things.
Mhm. Yeah. Let's start with talking about your family background. So tell our audience who you are.
I belong from a very normal family, and I don't have a business family background. In my family, everybody used to do a job, and my father and my mother are both working. My father is a central government employee, and my mother is a teacher. So they motivated me for this life. I choose that journey for myself. Nobody was there to guide me, so it was really a big challenge to get into the business journey. My parents are very educated. They don't know the business B as well, but they supported me for this.
तो आप बिजनेस फैमिली से नहीं हैं और पेरेंट्स जो हैं वो घर में सारे लोग प्रोफेशनल्स हैं, और तो आपने फिर ये कैसे तय किया कि आप बिजनेस में जाएंगी?
मैं बताती हूँ। आई हैव अ ग्रैंडमदर। ग्रैंडमदर लाइक माय grandfather's sister is there. So she, when I was in my very young age, she used to tell us that our great grandfathers were the good businessmen. They were into the business life, and we were having a very good transport business, well settled transport business. So I got fascinated from that part of the story, that now our family has been 4 generation, 5 generation in a downfall. Why can't I bring that level up? So
ओके,
from
तो
there I
आप
got a chance. Yeah.
तो आपको ये लगा कि जो जो बिजनेस आपकी फैमिली में हो रहा था, अगर वो बिजनेस ना सही लेकिन बिजनेस के एरिया में अब आपके एंट्री होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि आपके परिवार में पहले कुछ पीढ़ियों पहले बिजनेस चल रहा था और अच्छा चल रहा था। So that was inspiring you.
Yeah, that was inspiring me. That was pushing me that why can't you go? Why can't you break the family rule? Again, going for the upward life. So from there, I got fascinated for business. When I was in class 8, Then I decided to be a businesswoman. I told my father that I will not do job in my life. I will be the job creator. I'll be the job creator and I'll go into the
Awesome.
business. In class 8, I decided it. When I came into class 10, my father asked me, what do you want to be in your life? I said, I already told you in class 8 that I'll go for business. I'll not go for job. So he said, okay, fine, let's finish your 12th. After 12th, COVID came. In 2020, I finished my 12th and taken admission in college in ITM University, Gwalior. In that, I have taken admission in BBA honors course. In that, my specialization was finance. I met with a person in my college who was my mentor, Sir Pawan sir. So when I talked to him, I got that he is the person who will support me to get on my stairs of success. So he mentored me.
Mhm.
He gave me one advice that if whatever business you want to go enter into, in that business आपको मजा आनी चाहिए काम करने में। भले आप 24 आवर 7 काम करो और आपको मजा आनी चाहिए। एक टाइम भी ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए आपके साथ कि यू फील टायर्ड एंड यू फील लाइक नो दिस बिजनेस इज गेटिंग बर्डन ऑन मी। सो आई started putting questions in my mind like what type of business I should enter. At that time, COVID was going. Every businesses got shut down. Most of the businesses got shut down. Only some businesses were there that were boosting. One was medical and one was fooding industry. And fooding industry cannot get closed anytime.
Food
So I
industry.
discussed, yeah, food industry. And in food industry as well, I entered into the spices. Why I entered into the spices? Because I am fooding. I love food. I love food, and spices are the magic sprinkles that make your food delicious.
So you arrived at this decision to focus on spices more from your understanding of food and that it makes spices, not from the financial modeling or market size or from that angle.
No, I was having one thing in my mind. Whatever business I will get into, I will make it. I will make it a company. I
What
will.
gave you this confidence?
I was like, this confidence is like, मैं कैसे बताऊं क्योंकि मन में मतलब लाइक मतलब मैं आपको एक अपने चाइल्डहुड की स्टोरी भी शेयर करती हूँ
जरूर.
कि I am the eldest child of the house. Eldest from my father side and my mother side as well. So I was always treated like a boy of the house, eldest boy of the house.
Mhm.
So they always motivated me for going anything, always. Like I had one more dream as well. I want to be a bike racer. I was
Okay.
having a dream of being a bike racer, but
Hmm.
my parents said first get a job, get a settled job or a settled career, then go and follow your dreams. So
Mhm.
that was also main reason for going into the business because I'll get a good cash in that. Earn a good amount at certain period of time, so I can fulfill my dreams. So I told you that why I am working so hard. I have a like lalach I have to buy that car in future.
Yeah. So why don't you tell what is the story about that?
There is a car named Huracan Evo of Lamborghini, and that is the biggest motivation for me to work so hard. Because जब मैं छोटी थी तो जब भी मुझे कुछ लेना होता था तो my father was like कि हाँ अगर इतने नंबर लेके आओगी तो ये चीज मिलेगी and I used to get that. So I have kept it as a goal for myself कि हाँ मैं इतनी मेहनत कर लूंगी तो मुझे ये मिल जाए. ये भी एक मोटिवेशन है. Plus, I want to give my family a very good life. From
तो अपने
from a
अपने
middle
लिए
class to a
लैम्बोर्गिनी तो अपने लिए लैम्बोर्गिनी कार चाहिए और फैमिली के लिए अच्छी लाइफस्टाइल.
exactly.
Okay. And these two are the great motivators for you.
Exactly. Even one more thing that motivates me a lot as well. My parents work had worked very hard in their life, very hard. My father is working from last 25 years in a central government employee. He's in small arms gun factory, the government arms factory. He's there. He never got time. He like वो हमारे साथ बैठ जाए, थोड़ा सा हम गपशप कर ले. Job is like job only. But in business, at certain period of time, or even when you are working hard on it, growing it, but you have your own time. You can give time to your family as well. But in job, you cannot take a holiday without taking a permission. So these are the reasons that every middle class family, yeah, middle class child can relate, that every parents work hard to give a good life and a good uh, help their children to achieve their dream. My parents have worked so hard to give me this life. Even this factory which you are seeing at the back, it's not just my hard work, it's my parents' hard work as well. With where I am sitting, the background you can see, it's all me and my parents' hard work.
Amazing, amazing.
Even you
Okay.
need the family support as well. Family should support these
Absolutely.
children to achieve their dreams. Nothing is big. Everything you
Absolutely.
can achieve in your life.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. So, tell me, when did you graduate? You graduated recently, right?
I completed my graduation in 2023.
And what is the education that you have?
I had a BBA honors, Bachelor's in Business Administration honors, and my specialization was finance.
Okay. So,
I have
20.
started the business in. I have started the business in 2021 when I was in my first year only.
Okay, so in college only you started the business.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell our viewers what is the business that you have. So what is that you do? So give us a little back overview of that.
Okay. So I'll tell you my company's name, and even I will tell you why my company name is this only. My company name is Tanvi Enterprises. And Tanvi is not my name, not my parents' name. It's the merged name of my parents, Tantuj and Vikas. So
Mm.
it's Tanvi Enterprises. We have a brand named Vasu. Vasu is on Vasudev Kutumbakam, Vishnuji.
Mhm.
That's why these names I have chosen. One with my parents who always blessed and supported me for this dream, and the God who I always pray.
Mhm.
And Tanvi Enterprises basically manufacture spices and spices blends.
Mhm.
Uh, and the under the brand name of Vasu. Why now people will ask why my brand is different from other brands. What special I am giving in the market under my brand, because there are so many brands out there. We use the old method of grinding. We don't use blade grinding. We use hammer grinding.
Okay.
So in that hammer grinding, the
Mhm.
essential oil of the spices doesn't get extracted. Even that essential oil act as a natural preservative in the spices. So we give a surety of no preservative and no added colors in the spices. That's why this is our USP of our brand.
Okay.
Even we are working with good institution as well, just because of the quality we are providing to them.
Okay. Amazing. Amazing. So how many products do you have currently? And if you can name
Uh,
them.
yeah, currently we are having 20 products. So I'll just give you the main USP products. One
Hmm.
is Bukku. Bukku is a special blend of spices which is originated from Kanpur. It's not
What
used
do you call that? Say it again.
Buknu. It's Buknu.
Buknu. Okay. Yes.
Yeah,
Hmm.
you may know it, Buknu.
Yeah, I
You
know
have,
because I am also from Kanpur. Yes.
yeah.
Mhm.
Buknu is used in Buknu is a blend of spices which helps in digestion. It's made with different herbs. We use it in our daily life. And second is Zyka salt. Zyka salt is a multi-purpose salt, and its base is black salt. Basically, it's used in raita, fruit chats, salads. people who are health conscious, they can use it in salad as well.
Mhm.
And the other blends are garam masala, sabzi masala, meat masala. These are our spices range. We have one more range that is dehydrated range. In a dehydrated range, we make there are vegetables who have a water content. We remove the water content of that vegetable and convert them into powder form, which is used in the food as well, like
Mhm.
ginger powder, garlic powder, green chili powder, avocado. We make avocado chips as well.
Mhm.
We cut them in a chips form and then we dry them, and that chip avocados used as a garnishing of any dishes. So these are the dehydrated range of our.
Okay. And what would be the ballpark revenue currently of your company?
It's mandatory to share. uh, I'll not share the exact figure. We are plus one CR,
Okay.
plus one.
Okay. Okay. Fair. Okay. So let's hear about who are your big customers.
Basically, we supply in bulk. We are exporters as well. So our bulk purchasers or buyers are the export people. We
Mhm.
export the orders. We have a. This is the bulk. These are the number one suppliers to whom we main supply. The second people to whom we supply are hotels, 5-star hotels, 7-star hotels like Oberoi, Taj. One of the 4-star hotel is there in Kanpur named Landmark. We supply them as well. And the third is the retailers. These three segments we work.
Okay. Okay. And how many people will be working with you? So, what is your production process?
In my production process, there are many are females. Many are females. Male number is less. Females are around 10 in the production. Males are 2, 3 just for the machine purpose. Otherwise, mostly are females. And 5, 4 are there for marketing. So these people, like around 20 we have. 20.
Okay. Okay.
Because we keep
And from
females more, that it's a reason because of processing. Females are good at picking, breaking, finding the things from the raw material.
okay. And from where do you procure your material? From in and
We
around Kanpur or
no. We procure our raw materials directly from where the things are cultivating. Like
give me an
if you talk
example?
about like an example, if I talk about haldi,
Mhm.
haldi is grown in Guntur, normal haldi,
Guntur.
and yeah, there is one more type of haldi named lakadong. Lakadong haldi is a blue and black haldi that's mainly grown in Meghalaya. So we purchase directly raw material from where the things get cultivated.
Okay. Amazing. Amazing. So tell me that, as you were saying that from the very beginning, from class 8, you had declared that you are going to be a businesswoman. So now the success that you have achieved, the fact that you are exporting spices, you have, good clients like Oberoi's and Taj. So what your parents say now to you?
Children for their parents. Whatever heights you achieve in your life, you will be the child for them. You'll never grow up for them.
तो
They
तो
will not
तो
show
क्या
you.
तो क्या कहते हैं वो माँ बाप?
They are like, I don't have time. We don't have time. We only have a chit chat, sit together only on Sundays. So they
हम्म
are like, बहुत बिजी हो गई हो तुमसे ज्यादा तो बिजी कोई है ही नहीं.
हम्म तो कंप्लेन
So
कर रहे होते हैं कि टाइम नहीं है तुम्हारे पास.
exactly. And the biggest complainer is my mother. They are the
हम्म
biggest supporter as well, my parents. But they are the biggest complainers as well in the world. On Sunday, I don't see any watch. I'll work according to myself. So from from 9 a.m. they will start shouting, 12 baj gaye. 1 बजे और बज 9-10 रहे होते, उसके बावजूद भी वो मुझे डांटते रहते कि उठ जाओ। बट ऑन संडे आई लाइक टू हैव माई ओन टाइम। बट हाँ, दे सपोर्ट मी अ लॉट। बट हाँ, डांट तो
और
पड़ती है कि आप टाइम नहीं देते हो अगर।
और ओके, ओके। तो ये बताएं कि अब आपको हो गए करीब 4 एक साल हो गए बिजनेस को करते हुए, बिजनेस हैज रीच्ड अ सर्टेन लेवल। सो व्हाट इज योर ड्रीम फॉर द फ्यूचर? व्हाट इज दैट यू आर ड्रीमिंग अबाउट इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर बिजनेस फ्यूचर?
In next 10 years, I'll work very hard to make this business stable. And after 10 years, I'll take an early retirement. After that, I'll enjoy my time with my family. And for achievement regarding my business, I want to make my business around 500 CR company at least.
You are in a product space which is like for ages occupied by big organizations, big brands. वो यूपी में वो अशोक मसाले हो, वो नेशनली
Uh,
एमडीएच हो, राइट? सो देयर आर लार्ज brands that exist. So don't you feel scared? Don't you feel मैं कहाँ ये sharks के बीच में आई एम trying to swim?
okay. Somebody told your competitor always have one loophole that he is not providing to to his customer. Just find that loophole. If you find that loophole, you can catch his market.
तो आपने मसालों में कौन सा लूप होल ढूंढा, या अभी
ढूंढा
बताना
है।
नहीं है उसके बारे में?
ये तो फिर यूएसपी हो गई ना हमारी।
Okay,
फिर तो हम
all right.
यूएसपी थोड़ी ना शेयर कर देंगे
Very
अपनी।
good. I understand that. I understand. So you should not be talking about that. Very nice. Tell me, when you are in college, young, a lot of dreams, a lot of ideas come to you in terms of business and all. But people also get discouraged because of different kinds of challenges. So, what would you like to tell them in terms of how to go about thinking about a business?
People help you. Genuine people really help you. मैं एक चीज और बताऊंगी कि बिजनेस में होता क्या है फॉर यंग जनरेशन जिनको कोई नॉलेज नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है। फाइंड अ पर्सन हु हैज नॉलेज इन। आप उस पर्सन को जरूर देखो कि जिसने खुद जीरो से स्टार्ट किया, क्योंकि जिसने जीरो से स्टार्ट किया होगा ही और शी विल बी नोइंग एवरीथिंग, एवरी हर्डल्स। दे विल बी नोइंग कि व्हाट चैलेंजेस वुड बी कमिंग। एक चीज और, मैंने एक चीज पढ़ी भी थी एक जगह, वन आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द वेरी फेमस पर्सन नेम। ही सेड वेयर स्ट्रेस कम्स, स्ट्रेस कहाँ आता है? स्ट्रेस वही आता है जहाँ आप काम नहीं कर पा रहे हो, सोल्यूशन नहीं ढूंढ पा रहे हो। और जब आप सोल्यूशन ढूंढना स्टार्ट कर दोगे ना प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में सोचने की जगह, आप अपने आप स्ट्रेस फ्री रहोगे। लोग कहते हैं ना बहुत स्ट्रेस हो रहा है काम का, कुछ नहीं होता स्ट्रेस। नथिंग इज स्ट्रेस, जस्ट फाइंड, डोंट थिंक ओवर द प्रॉब्लम, थिंक ऑन अ सोल्यूशन। जब आप सोल्यूशन ढूंढोगे ना तो अपने आप हो जाएगा बिना स्ट्रेस के। मैं तो
Okay.
बहुत चिल
तो
रहती हूँ।
ये बताइए, इस पूरे बिजनेस को बिल्ड करने में आपको 2-3 सबसे बड़े चैलेंजेस क्या है?
सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज तो बीइंग अ फीमेल। सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज बीइंग अ
कैसे?
फीमेल।
कैसे? व्हाट वाज द चैलेंज?
सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्यों फीमेल का मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ। सबसे पहली चीज, मैं बहुत यंग थी। मैं अभी भी बहुत, आई एम लाइक 23 ईयर, आई विल बी कंप्लीटिंग 24 दिस ईयर इन अक्टूबर। व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू गेट इनटू द मार्केट जहाँ पे बड़े बड़े शार्क्स बैठे हैं, लाइक आप कानपुर भी विजिट किए हैं तो आपको तो पता है कि जो हमारा कानपुर का सेंट्रल रेलवे स्टेशन वाला एरिया, उधर पूरी स्पाइसेस की मार्केट है बड़ी। तो आप जब मैं वहां जाती थी व्हेन माय स्टार्टिंग डेज, रिटेल रिटेल शॉप्स अपने ब्रांड को लेके या बात करने, तो दे नेवर एंटरटेन, नेवर। मतलब उन्होंने दे वर लाइक, मुझे ऊपर से देख के नीचे तक दिखते थे अच्छा लड़की है और सो यंग, क्या एक्सपीरियंस होगा, क्या नॉलेज होगी, मैं इतने साल से काम कर रहा हूँ, क्या करेगी ये काम। दे नेवर एंटरटेन, नेवर। सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज मैंने ये फेस।
तो आपको शुरू के ब्रेक कैसे मिले?
मैं मैं आपको सच बताऊं, मैं बहुत रोती थी, बहुत रोती थी। मतलब मैं घर नहीं आती थी, मैं पहले रो ही लेती थी घर के बाहर कि अगर मैं घर जाके रोऊंगी तो माय पेरेंट्स विल बी लाइक छोड़ दो। और मैं वो चीज उन्हें नहीं दिखाना चाहती थी कि मैं वीक हो रही हूँ। कभी नहीं दिखा, एंड नेवर शोड देम दैट आई एम गेटिंग वीक एट एनी। तो सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज मैंने ये फेस किया। दूसरा, व्हेन मुझे लोगों ने बहुत बातें बोली भी हैं, लाइक आप लड़की हो, आप क्यों बिजनेस लाइन में घुस रहे हो, आपको तो जॉब करनी चाहिए, आपकी पढ़ाई है, आप जॉब करो। क्यों मैं जॉब करूं जब मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, मेरी फैमिली मुझे सपोर्ट कर रही है? व्हाई शुड आई गो इनटू द जॉब? इवन वन पर्सन, आई अप्लाइड फॉर अ गवर्नमेंट फंडिंग. The person loan inspector came from the bank. I'll not share the bank name because खराब हो सकता है थोड़ा सा. He came for inspection. He said, क्या जरूरत है तुम्हें बिजनेस करने की? पढ़ाई लिखाई करो, पढ़ाई लिखाई की उम्र है। ये गंदे बिजनेस में, सो डर्टी बिजनेस यू आर गेटिंग एंटर्ड. एंड आई वाज लाइक, who are you to tell me? And I was like around 22 years age I was there, and I said directly to him. My mother was sitting next to me. I said, "Who are you to tell me?" Huh? And my mother was like, "Don't talk to him like this to him." And I like, no. Why he say? He is giving me the money. He is gonna pay the money back. I am gonna pay the money back. I am taking the loan. He has to just approve the loan. He's just he can just talk on the loan procedure. He cannot talk about my personal life. What should I do and what should I not do? So people, that type of people are also there. But some people, I met with very good people as well who supported me a lot. But like they are sitting at a very good position in their jobs, in government jobs I'm talking about. Even there was the ex-DM of Kanpur. I'll not take his name. He supported me a lot as well. Like out of the way he went for to support. He was a very gentleman person. Many people in Kanpur are there at a very good position who are there to help you out of the way as I met so many. Some people are very good. They can help you to grow, but most of the market is full of bad people. Doesn't want you to grow. And for females and for the young people as well, I'll say don't focus on anything. Just focus on your goal. Focus on your goal. Whatever people are saying, they are just dogs. Be an elephant. Whenever the elephant walks on a road, he doesn't see the dogs who are barking around. So they are like dogs, let them bark.
So,
Simple.
so you are saying just focus on your goals and let the noise be separated.
Noise cancellation, earbuds in your ears. Don't listen to them.
ओके. और लेकिन एक एक खास चीज जो आपने बोली कि जब आप जाती थी मार्केट में अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को लेकर के, और पीपल वर नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग यू एंड देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ रिजेक्शन और डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, एंड उसमें रोना भी होता था और घर पहुंचने के पहले होता था. तो वो वाली स्टेज आपकी कब तक चली और फिर कब वो स्टेज से आप आगे निकल गए?
Uh, See, for any business, you should sustain your company at least 2 3 years. And I am standing on a fourth year. I made many links. I made many things. I went to. I said links like there is a place, a government place like MSME offices are there, DICs are there. I used to like Pavan sir told me when I asked him about the government funding, because two middle class people have a lot of cash, 25 lakh cash or 30 lakh cash to give you for a business. You have to take a loan. And there is one more advice: never do business on your savings. Do business on loan. Keep your saving as a backup amount when you are falling. Don't use it in your business. And when I went to DIC, I met good people over there as well. So I invested time with them. I means like मेरे पास काम नहीं भी होता था तो भी मैं उनके पास जाके बैठ जाती थी. अच्छा आप बताओ ना कि कैसे कैसे काम होता है. तो दे आर हैविंग एक्सपीरियंस. लाइक भले ही वो एक गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल पोस्ट पे बैठे हुए हैं, बट उन्हें भी बिजनेस की नॉलेज है कहीं ना कहीं, क्योंकि वो इतने सालों से इतने बिजनेसेस को देख रहे हैं, ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं, उनके पेपर वर्क को देख रहे हैं. वो आपको हेल्प करते हैं कहीं. And from one of the TIC people, someone advised me for trading of the products. He said me, find the leads, फाइंड द लीड्स. आप जरूरी नहीं है कि आप इतना बड़ा सेटअप लगाओ या कुछ भी लगाओ स्टार्टिंग स्टेज में. आप ट्रेडिंग से भी काम स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. लाइक इफ समबडी इज स्टैंडिंग इन द मार्केट, वो कह रहा है कि मुझे हल्दी चाहिए, मुझे ये रेट की हल्दी चाहिए. देयर आर सो मेनी रिसोर्सेज ऑन टुडे. लाइक कितने सारे एप्स है कि आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट कम से कम रेट में ढूंढ सकते हो आराम से घर पे बैठ. मैंने
Give me
ट्रेडिंग
the names, 2 or 3 such apps names.
like if you have a lead, like I am a person, I have a lead, like you want to buy haldi at 300 rupees per kg. See, you told me ki Vanshika, I want to buy haldi to 300 rupees per kg, give me a good rate. This is my highest budget, I cannot go above the 300. Just an example. So I said, okay, give me time till tomorrow, I'll tell you the rate with the sample. I'll go sit on India Mart, sit on Trade India, sit on Google. Many sites are there. I'll start finding the rates. I'll get the buyers from there. You are not knowing about it. You are not getting that mind कि हाँ यहाँ से भी मिल सकता है. For the young generation, I can find that thing. कि हाँ ये loophole है, इस person को ये चीज नहीं पता, I'll buy from there, I'll sell him here. That's
Okay.
called trading.
Yeah.
Trading of the products. From there, you can as a middle person, you can earn your commission. So I have worked like this as well. And I met with a person. He said, I want to buy this. So I said, okay, I'll provide you that. So he said, from where do you procure me this order? I said, I'll trade you. He said, what? You are trading? I said, yeah, I'm trading. He said, I have never seen a girl doing trading in these sectors. मैंने कहा it's a appreciation or I should think it like a sarcasm.
For how much time did you do the trading?
I am trading doing right
Even now.
now as well. Even now
Okay.
as well. So I got a lead from UAE, United States of Emirates. So I got a lead from there. We need 25 metric ton red onion. I got a person from here from Nasik. I searched him. It's not my sector. It's not totally not my sector. I told him the things. I want this is this. This is the order. Bear the bill on my name. I'll proceed it forward to the party. He has done everything. I have proceeded the bill to the party. He said we are done with the price. Okay, we are sending you this amount as an advance. After the payment, there is a BPCL receipt on the export order. He said after the BPCL receipt, we'll provide you the rest payment. Okay, done. That's
Okay.
you
So
just
tell me,
had a mind.
for instance, if somebody who wants to start trading in some area, any of the commodities, how do you do the lead generation in that?
Lead generation for boys, it's very easy to roam in the market. It's very easy for them to roam in the market and find the loopholes of their own city market. Like I have find it the loophole from my city market of spices was like they were providing the rates at very high price. The price I am getting from the bag is very different, and the price they are giving as a wholesaler or as a bulk supplier is very different in my city. It's very different. So what I started doing, okay, how much price you want? I'll provide you haldi. You from where you are taking? You are taking from this price. I'll provide you this. Buy it from me.
तो
People
आप
are like,
बेसिकली
okay,
थोक की मार्केट में जाती थी और वहां पे जो जो बल्क के ट्रेडर्स बैठे हुए हैं, बिजनेसमैन बैठे हैं, उनसे जाकर के बात करती थी एंड देन that's how you used to get the orders for your trading.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
That's how you start working in a trading, because you cannot just go and take a subscription of any, like India Mart, Trade India are very costly. At a starting stage of a business, they are very costly. So you cannot afford it. You can doing it without, like from a zero investment, you can start a business from this very simple step. Just go and find the loophole from your own city market.
Okay. Okay.
And find the loophole back also from where the things are getting originated. First, you should gain knowledge. Without knowledge, you cannot enter into the market. People will eat you
And
simply.
now you supply to global market also. So how you got the leads for exports?
Some export leads I just got from the links only.
From?
Which from links that I created from TIC, MSME offices. People refer you.
Okay.
I got my first order for export was from the DC of DIC.
Hmm.
He referred me to an exporter. She is making a very good product. Go and work with it. So for my first export order was given by him. He
Okay.
referred me. So
Hmm.
then I got the confidence. Now I can go into export.
Okay. Okay. Awesome. So you are saying that once you decide that this is the business that I want to do, so there would be disappointments, there would be hurdles, but there would also be people who will support you, right? And you need to take care of both the supporters and the those who are
Haters
opposing
as
you or discouraging you, and continue your journey. लेकिन वो शुरू करना पड़ेगा आपको.
yeah, you have to start. Like
Hmm.
आपके अंदर एक करेज होनी चाहिए. As I want to always told you, I always had a courage like a boy. मैं तो करूंगी कुछ
Hmm.
भी हो जाए
Hmm.
तो करूंगी. ये नहीं
तो
कि
ये
नहीं
ये
करूंगी.
ये सेल्फ बिलीफ होना बहुत जरूरी है. और ये सेल्फ
Never
बिलीफ
forget.
आता कहाँ से?
God is providing you the energy to
God is
go.
providing that.
God is see if you are seeing big dreams. How you are seeing the big dreams? Many people spend their life without seeing dreams. They just simply live a very normal life.
Mhm.
So do prayer as well because
Okay.
that gives you peace. It's not just ki, whatever religion you belong, because you need calmness in yourself. जब आपके अंदर calmness होगी, आप patiently work करोगे तो ही आप कर पाओगे. But because business needs patience, a
Hmm.
lot of patience. It's like कि अगर आपको कोई थप्पड़ मार भी रहा है बोल बोल के, you have to keep patience until you have achieved something. And when the day you will achieve, that person will get slapped by your achievement. You don't have to speak anything.
Hmm.
So you should have a lot of patience, and that patience come from
तो
prayer,
ये बताइए
meditation.
कि is there any quotation, any saying, anything that you keep reminding yourself just to keep yourself motivated?
Uh, there is a line of APJ Abdul Kalam sir. The dreams you see while sleeping are the dreams that you will see while sleeping. The dreams that you see by opening your eyes will be the dreams you will achieve. There is a book named The Secret. I have listened that book more than 100 times. I don't even remember from class 8 to till now. And that book really motivates. I'll tell you one incident. I used to write diary and I used to get bullied a lot in my school time. A lot by girls. So when I had a plan of being into business, I have written in my diary that in 2021 I will start my business. I have not mentioned any date, but I have just mentioned the year. But every time I used to recall, I'll start my business. I'll achieve something in my life that these people will come afterwards in my life and say, now you have done something. 2023, when I was packing my bag, that diary came out and I opened it first page and it was written over there, I'll start my business in 2021 and my company got registered in 2021. That's what called manifestation. And you should manifest your life.
Mhm.
It's very easy. You just have a clear thought कि हाँ मुझे business करना है, मेरी कंपनी 10 सालों में ये अचीव करेगी और मैं ऐसी लाइफ जीऊंगी या ऐसी लाइफ जीऊंगा, मैं अपनी फैमिली को ये दूंगा, वो दूंगा, सब कुछ दूंगा। ये आपके माइंड में क्लियर होना चाहिए, वेरी वेरी क्लियर।
हाँ, लेकिन इसके साथ में जो चीज आपने पहले बात करी, एंड आई डोंट वांट दैट टू बी लॉस्ट, कि यू नीड टू ड्रीम, यू नीड टू हैव द विजन, बट यू आल्सो नीड टू, जिसको कानपुर की भाषा में बोलते हैं कि चप्पल रगड़ने के लिए भी तैयार रहिए उसके लिए,
एग्जैक्टली।
राइट? तो अगर आप सिर्फ बैठ करके ड्रीम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन वो जो थोक की मंडी में जाकर के आप जो काम कर रही थी और जो शुरू के रिजेक्शंस डील कर रही थी, और घर में पहुंचने के पहले अपना
रोटी
फेस
भी
क्लीन
थी।
कर रही थी, वो 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 भी वो उसी जर्नी का एक हिस्सा है।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली। देखिए, जब आप ड्रीम करते हो ना, तो ड्रीम अपने आप भी आपको कहीं ना कहीं एक बार मोटिवेट करेगी कि अरे आप बैठे क्यों हो? जाओ ना, काम करो ना। सोल्यूशन खुद ही, आप खुद ही अपने आप, जब आप खुद से बात करते हो ना, तो बहुत सोल्यूशन मिलते हैं। रात में 12 बजे से लेके 2 बजे तक मैं जगती हूँ, एंड दैट्स माई मी टाइम, वेयर आई काउंसल माई सेल्फ कि मैंने आज क्या किया, मुझे कल क्या करना है, मेरी क्या गलती रही, मुझे अपनी पर्सनालिटी में क्या और ग्रूव करना चाहिए, मुझे अभी अपने टॉक वे ऑफ टॉकिंग को और कैसे इनहेंस करना चाहिए। कि देखिए, बिजनेस में एक चीज आप भी मानेंगे सर, कि आप एक सर्टेन ये एज नहीं फिक्स कर सकते कि मैं सिर्फ 40 की एज के लोगों के साथ काम करूं। आपके सामने बहुत अलग-अलग एज के लोग आएँगे, बहुत अलग-अलग माइंडसेट के लोग आएँगे। आपको अपने आप को उनके लिए रोज़ तैयार करना, और बिज़नेस आपको यही सिखाता है कि आप किसी भी पर्सन, किसी भी एज कैटेगरी के पर्सन के साथ बैठ जाओ, किसी के साथ भी बात करो, किसी भी माइंडसेट हो पर्सन का, आपको टैकल करना। और ये बहुत ज़रूरी है ये चीज़ें। ये आप एक दिन में नहीं सीखोगे, आपको रोज़ सीखनी पड़ेगी, और हर दिन आपको रोज़ नए-नए लोग मिलेंगे। तो आपका ड्रीम भी आपको कहीं न कहीं पुश करता है कि जाओ काम करो जाओ, काम तो करना पड़ेगा। आप फिर
हम्म।
तो, अगर आपका ड्रीम आपको पुश नहीं कर रहा है ना, फिर तो आप यही हो, हाँ, कर लेंगे किसी दिन। ये वाला सीन नहीं है, कर लेंगे किसी दिन। मैंने अपना मैं अगर आपको अपनी 20s की एज बताऊँ, मेरा एक ये भी था डिसीजन, जितना मस्ती मुझे करना है मैं अपने स्कूल टाइम तक कर ले रही हूँ। आफ्टर माय स्कूल टाइम आई विल गेट सीरियस फॉर माय करियर। मुझे इतना टाइम अपने करियर को देना ही देना है। और यंग एज में आप जितनी मेहनत कर सकते हो, उतना आप 30 के बाद नहीं कर सकते हो। आपकी प्रोडक्टिविटी लॉस होने लगती है, ये आप मानो या ना। कहीं न कहीं आप बॉडी से भी डिप्रेस होते हो, मतलब डेप्रिशिएट करते हो, थॉट ऑफ माइंड से भी डेप्रिशिएट करते हो, क्योंकि
हम्म।
हर
हम्म।
लाइफ में जब आप टीनेजर में थे, तब आपकी थॉट प्रोसेस दूसरी थी। आप मतलब इस चीज़ में समझ सकते हो। जब आप 20s में आए, तब आपकी थॉट प्रोसेस डिफरेंट हुई। जब आप 30s में आए, 40s में जाओगे, 50s में जाओगे, आपकी थॉट प्रोसेस टोटली चेंज हो जाएगी। तो मेरा तो यंग लोगों को यही है कि भाई, जितनी मेहनत, अभी मेरे पापा एक बात कहते हैं, या तो अभी मेहनत कर लो, बाद में आराम कर लेना, या तो अभी आराम कर लो, बाद में पैर चलेंगे ही नहीं, तो क्या मेहनत करो। तो
बिल्कुल।
यही चीजें है। और
हम्म।
आप अपने फादर के देख के, सबसे, अगर कोई मोटिवेटर नहीं है ना आपकी लाइफ में, आप अपने फादर को देखो, अपनी मदर को देखो। सबसे बड़े मोटिवेटर वही है आपकी लाइफ। अगर मदर आपकी घर में, अगर आपकी मदर हाउसवाइफ भी है, तो क्या वो एक काम नहीं करती है? वो तो 365 डेज काम करती है विदाउट एनी कंप्लेन। क्या उनका क्या गोल है? कि मुझे अपनी फैमिली को सब कुछ प्रोवाइड कराना है, एंड दैट्स माय ड्यूटी। तो आप ये चीज क्यों नहीं ले सकते हो कि इट्स माय ड्यूटी कि मैं अपनी फैमिली को अच्छी चीज प्रोवाइड करूँ, अच्छी लाइफ दूंगा, अच्छा करियर दूंगा, कि जिससे वो मुझसे प्राउड फील करे। माय पेरेंट्स फील वेरी प्राउड। वो बात अलग है कि घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर होती है, ठीक है, बट स्टिल दे फील प्राउड। तो
वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू। या।
दे आर प्राउड ऑफ मी, बट वो दिखाते नहीं है कि हाँ, ज्यादा हवा में ना उड़ू मैं।
दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा।
तो बट स्टिल, कि हाँ, दे आर द बिगेस्ट सपोर्ट फॉर मी।
या। या। तो अब ये बताएं कि अगर कोई यंगस्टर अब बिजनेस शुरू करना चाहे आज की डेट में, तो आप उसको कौन सी 3 हैबिट्स बोलेंगी कि इफ यू फॉर्म दोस 3 हैबिट्स you would be able to achieve success in your business?
सबसे पहली चीज, कीप योर लर्निंग प्रोसेस ऑलवेज ऑन, ऑलवेज ऑन। आप किसी से भी सीख सकते हो, आपको डेली लर्नर बनना पड़ेगा, डेली। आप टाइम इन्वेस्ट करो ऐसे लोगों के साथ जो लाइफ में जिन्होंने कुछ स्ट्रगल देखा है। जब आप किसी के स्ट्रगल देखोगे ना तो भी आपको लगेगा अरे यार ये इन्होंने इस चीज में अगर स्ट्रगल किया है तो मैं इस चीज में स्ट्रगल क्यों नहीं कर सकती। तो सबसे पहला पॉइंट कि बी अ पर्सन फॉर ओपन लर्निंग एवरी टाइम फ्रॉम एनीवन। सेकंड, आप टाइम इन्वेस्ट करो अपना ऐसे लोगों के साथ जिन्होंने लाइफ में कुछ किया है। थर्ड, आई विल बी लाइक कि अपने लिए टाइम जरूर निकालो, अपनी काउंसलिंग खुद करो rather देन। देखो, हर किसी के पास हर काउंसलर इज नॉट अवेलेबल, पीपल्स आर नॉट अवेलेबल टू हेल्प देम। क्योंकि मुझे घर में, मैं अगर अपनी बात करूं, मुझे मेरे घर वालों ने कभी कोई एडवाइस नहीं दी, बस मेरे पेरेंट्स ने भी मुझे बस सपोर्ट किया कि हाँ तुम करो, हम खड़े हैं फाइनेंशियली इमोशनली हर तरीके से सपोर्ट। बट जो एक गाइडेंस होती है ना वो आपको बहुत कम ही लोगों से मिल पाती है, और जरूरी नहीं है वो आपके आसपास प्रेजेंट। अगर नहीं है, स्टार्ट काउंसलिंग योरसेल्फ। अपने आप से बात करो कि भाई मुझे क्या चाहिए लाइफ। जब आप खुद से बात करोगे तो खुद ही जवाब मिलेगा कि भाई मुझे एक अच्छी लाइफ चाहिए जहाँ पे मैं फाइनेंशियली फ्रीडम मिले, मुझे मुझे किसी भी चीज के बारे में इतना सोचना ना पड़े, हाँ एक अच्छी लाइफ रहे मेरी। एंड एवरीबडीज गोल इज टू अर्न मनी एट सम। सबका एक पॉइंट है कि हाँ मुझे पैसे अर्न करने ही करने हैं लाइफ में, एक गोल अचीव भी करना है कि मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझ पे प्राउड फील करें। सो स्टार्ट काउंसलिंग योर सेल्फ एज वेल। ये 3 हैबिट्स, अपने लिए टाइम निकालो आप। काउंसलिंग का मतलब ही यही है, अपने लिए टाइम निकालो,
Just
अपने
sit back
साथ
and
बैठना
reflect
जरूरी
or write diary or something like that every day.
हाँ
Reflect
आप
on your
डायरी
day.
भी लिख, या रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन योर डे एज वेल। आपने पूरे दिन में क्या किया, क्या किया, क्या वो प्रोडक्टिव था, नहीं था तो कल करो, करो लेकिन start doing productivity. Meditate as well. I'll say meditation is also. And if you not meditate, you cannot get that calmness because business need patience and calmness. I already told you. बहुत पेशेंस चाहिए, बिना पेशेंस के आप कुछ नहीं अचीव कर सकते। जैसे आप पढ़ाई भी करते हो तो पढ़ाई के लिए भी पेशेंस चाहिए। जब आज 10 बार एक ही चीज पढ़ोगे तभी तो नंबर आएंगे उधर। तो यहाँ पे भी यही, बिजनेस में भी आप किसी चीज के लिए वेट करो, वो मिलेगा, वो 101% मिलेगा, बट टाइम, जब उसका टाइम हो।
तो,
ये है।
तो जब एट्थ और नाइन्थ में आप ये बोल रही थी अपने फादर को कि आई विल बिकम द जॉब क्रिएटर, और आज आप जैसे बता रही कि कोई 18-20 लोग आपके साथ काम करते हैं, so do you tell yourself and your dad that see I have become the job creator?
My mother once said कि even my one of my brother also he complimented me कि मतलब तुमने अपना प्रॉमिस प्रूव किया है कि बच्चों के ड्रीम्स चेंज हो जाते हैं 11th-12th में आते आते, बट यू प्रॉमिस्ड योरसेल्फ एंड यू प्रॉमिस्ड योर फैमिली एंड व्हाट यू आर डूइंग टुडे यू हैव शोन देम दैट you are the woman of your words.
And how do you feel about these compliments when you get?
I get shy at that moment because my family is like complimenting me because they usually don't compliment me. They scold me most of the time.
Okay, okay.
Even I got a gold medal from my college for youngest best business entrepreneur. I got a gold medal from my college.
Okay,
I
awesome.
haven't got gold medals in studies, but I got a medal for business in my
For
from
the
my
business.
college.
Okay, very good. Any advice that you would like to share?
One advice, one advice I'll share for the government also. The government is supporting you because I am the part of MSME also. I want to share this knowledge because most of the people doesn't know about it. For females and males as well, there are some government fundings government is providing to help you out to grow your business. If you don't have a business family background, then also they are supporting you to grow your business. Go to your nearest MSME offices, find that schemes to support your business. So there is always a way, find that way around you.
How
Everything
how
is around
difficult
you.
how difficult it is for a person to get support from MSMEs or government departments for loans, etc.
See, everything has a norms. Everything has a criteria. You have to fulfill it out. Other than you cannot fulfill it. So the MSME has a age factor, education factor according to their schemes. That loan get passed through a bank only. So you have to talk to your bank also that I am enrolling for such scheme. I want you to support me also. So they will also support you. So go and find the nearest DIC, MSME offices or provide to getting a loan from them. Getting enrolled because DIC and MSME get you enrolled in a scheme. It doesn't provide you the loan. The loan is provided by the bank only, but you get enrolled through MSME and DIC. In UP, if people come to me and ask, I'll help them out. But other states have different schemes, so you can get it from there that I cannot help you.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome, Vanshika. Thank you very much for taking this time out. I am sure your journey will inspire a lot of people that if they are dreaming and if they are willing to work for their dreams, uh, they can achieve success.